You can see the ball of her foot and her toes where she pushed off and just whoop, looked like she was floating. She just effortlessly had to have done it on purpose. Few weekends go by, we go back out there again. There was nothing disturbed this time, but on the back window of that truck, where all that dust and dirt comes off them dirt roads and dry in the summertime, it's just like baby powder. There's this big old handprint, and it's about like this, and the thumb comes out like this and turns straight up, except it's big, and you can see where it had touched that glass because it's a smoke glass, you know, you can't see it. It doesn't, it looks black at night, and you can see the fingerprints where he touched it to see if it was solid. Boom, yep. And he put his hand on it, and you could see where his hand shuffled just a little bit where he leaned over to look at the back of that truck. That hand moved just a little bit.